So we're going to look at the overview chart of the area. We got the chart and the wind overlaid in an east-northeasterly direction at 17 knots. And the ship is running towards the island. She takes a long sweep round to starboard until eventually she makes contact with the land on her port side in this position. To actually see what happened to the ship itself, we're going to be using the same diagram that I've used in previous videos. If you haven't already seen those, I would advise checking them out first, because we're going to be expanding on those concepts to explain this sequence of events. Firstly, we need to overlay the centre of gravity and centre of buoyancy. Then we can put on arrows for the forces that are acting through these. We know the force of gravity is acting straight down through the centre of gravity, and the force of buoyancy acting straight up through the centre of buoyancy. Now when these are in line, the ship is perfectly upright and she's quite happy. But when we get that impact on the port side, it leads to the immediate flooding of all those tanks out on the port wing. At the same time, the larger tanks down the bottom gradually start to flood. All this additional weight drags the centre of gravity off the centre line. It actually moves towards those additional weights. Once the centre of gravity and centre of buoyancy are no longer in line, the ship will have to lean over until they line up again.